In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a database using Microsoft Access. First of all, click on the blank database option on the home screen. After that, we will give the database a name. For now, let's just name it Company. When the database is created, there will be one empty table in it by default. Right-click on it and select the Design View option. With that done, give the table a name. For example, over here we're creating a database of all the employees in the organization. Now let's fill in some details inside the table, like the name, address, social security number, etc. Over here, notice how we are changing the data type of each field in the database. This will determine the type of data that will be accepted in the database. Below, you can specify the special types of changes in the input. Move over to the Input Mask option, and then click on the three dots on the right side of the field. With that done, click on Yes to save the table, and now you can select any of the input masks from the list. Over here, we will use the Social Security Number mask. With that done, click on Finish. Next, you may want to add a department in the database as well. If your entry has some fixed inputs, you can select the Lookup List menu. For that, open up the Lookup Wizard and select I will type the values that I want, and then click on Next. Now start entering the values that you want. For example, over here, we can specify some departments like Management, Sales, Marketing, and HR, etc. With that done, click on Finish. Remember that you can select the different data types too that Microsoft Access offers depending on your input. Press Ctrl+S and click on View Now. If you want to change your primary key or remove some fields again, you can click on View over here and make changes accordingly. For example, over here you can see the ID field is our primary key. Select any other field, and on the top, click on the Primary Key option. To delete any field, select it and simply press the Delete key. And that's basically how you can create a database in Access.